Doing? Oh.
Flapjacks.
Hey, here comes Jackson. Good morning. How did you sleep last night? Can you close the door?
Sure.
Thanks, Jackson.
Let's play cards.
Want to play cards?
Let's play good one.
You know, there's people swimming. There's swimming races going on down at the beach. Hey, Jake.
Wait. No, this is black and white.
What are you guys playing?
31.
31. Do these guys know how to play 31?
I play 31, Jackson. You know how to play 31?
You hear Steve yelling?
No. Something's wrong. You don't get that many
How much
cards.
sleep did everybody get this week, the last night?
Oh,
You look good. You look good.
Not this one.
You look good. Steven looks grumpy.
Come and sit here and hold two twins that are fussing.
Are they fussing?
You're not fussing.
They're not fussing.
You're not fussing, Dad.
They're not fussing.
Mama's cheery.
What do you call that?
You're cheery.
I'm cheery, and I was probably most sleep deprived.
Yes.
Exactly.
Oh,
What you guys doing? Oh, you got the same melons. Like 2 coconuts.
there, that was a leaky one that you just did. Felt that one all the way to my toes. Hey,
No, he was.
he just farted.
No, he did.
I
Oh.
felt it all the way to my toes.
Why?
Why?
Hey, you guys, what do you think?
Yeah,
After
they
the,
look happy anyway.
after the kids have their pancakes,
Are they done?
you guys want to,
Want to get this straightened up? Can I see?
Oh, that's a lot of meat there. Which army you feeding?
Well, maybe you beat next week. Son of a gun. Smoke that cigarette. We'll see. We got to have a look at it later. This is already.
Yeah, we got lots of hours yet.
Tomorrow. How about tomorrow?
Be ready by tomorrow. Just leave her go, eh?
Yeah, we'll have winners tonight. Here's everybody. Hey, listen.
See, they're all happy.
They're all happy. I hate to. You know what I?
Well,
Hunter.
what's that?
Yum. Oh, we did the yummies.
What'd you do with my son?
We need important things.
These are the farmer's market.
Like paper. Bum paper.
Oh. So where's the little guy? Hey, Jake. How you doing? You doing okay? What are you eating? What did Mama give you?
Hi guys, you got quite a little owie on your nose. You didn't pick up the paper yet this morning, did you, Mark?
No, I didn't.
I need good things that I can have.
Cinnamon rolls.
Hey, he's got some food. So here's your buddy playing cards.
So West Niles in Saskatchewan, eh?
Yeah, it's been here for a while.
No, but a human got it.
Oh, really?
Zimbabwe, I think.
What you guys doing? And the toys.
No more, Jake? You guys want some cinnamon bun? Kids? Or we got some fresh strawberries from a field. You know what? Let me just get give them a rinse in there. I don't know if they've been washed off, okay? Can I just rinse them off then? Yeah. Hey, Jake, Speedo boy.
Yeah. Jake, stay here.
I was trying to get to zoom and it went further away.
It's okay.
So,
Uh-oh. Now,
Where's all the cool stuff?
one more picture to burn and then I can switch to 400. Hey, Jackson, you got a three-legged race with Mom?
Can we go? Me?
3 and under, yeah.
Somebody's really anxious to race. Go, Jake!
On your mark, get set, go!
Go, Jake! Go, 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 Come back again, Jake! Go, go, go! There you go! Go, Jake!
I don't think I said go. All right, on your
Jake, where you going?
Are you ready?
This is raring to go.
oh yeah, he's excited. You ready, Jackson?
On your mark, get set, go!
Good. Over here, Jake. Whoa. Good, yeah, good. This way, Jake. Over here, Jake. Jake. Jake, over here. Go, Jake. Oh.
On your mark. Second team, step back. Second team.
Just thirsty. Good night.
All right, next group to the line.
Is everybody ready?
Ready,
On your mark, get set, go!
Go! Good job, girls!
Morning. How are you? Huh? How you doing? You doing okay?
Did you bring the play pack?
No, we did not. Did not bring the play pack. Yeah, well, I guess we have to. The big race. Here it is. There's the mama. All intense.
I just see where it is.
There's everybody. Jake, Jake, where are you going? Come here. Come here, Jake.
Let's go see Uncle Mark. There's Jake. Jake.
Hey, guys. What do you say? Go, Lisa, go. Go, Lisa, go with the mama. Go, mama, go.
All right.
Mama, mama.
Pace yourself, pace yourself.
Oh, I will.
It's only 4 racers. Wow. Yeah, 4. Run, Darcy, run! Oh, she's doing pretty good. Hurry up, Lisa, they're right behind you.
Hurry up.
Hey. Good job, Darcy. Yeah. Just walk, Sid.
He got
Keep
kicked.
going. Hey!
Carrie, he got kicked.
You got Jake?
No, you have Jake.
I thought you had Jake.
No, I said. Move. Jake is such a pushy boy. Yeah. Yeah, no kidding. No, it's not like that, right, Connor? Sure it is. Jake, don't push. Jake, stop. Yeah, I know.
Hey, Jake,
No, Mark. Don't work. Thanks. Go, Mark. Why? Go, Mark. Go, Dad. Go. Go. Woo, good job.
That was pretty good.
Okay, I will put it on my desk.
Look at this. We got all 4 kids calmed down, sitting at a table. Better take a picture of this because it doesn't happen often.
Hey, you figure,
Daddy, can you give me some paper?
Hey, Steven, you're blocking the view.
well, the paper's right in the box there. Right here, right here. My sketch box, you guys know that? Here it is, here's your paper. Yeah, right there. Hey. Beautiful enough meat. Do you think we have to have tenderloin tonight?
Late. Should have it late after the kids have hamburgers and go to bed.
Yeah, I should have it late.
Oh, you want a piece of paper? I'll give you a piece of paper, yeah. You can have one too. A sketch box. Guys. You got whacked in the head, eh? How's your head? Whacked in the head.
You got tough head, hey? Jackson?
Oh, I want pancakes and sausage.
Like a pretty good breakfast, hey? Pretty good lunch.
You have a good seat?
Who's better? Who's this sippy cup?
Oh, that's Jake's. I just about put too much syrup on there for you. Okay, now cut up the sausage. You like sausage?
Sydney, sausage makes the world go round.
Head comes off.
Oh, what you cooking?
Hey, flapjacks.
Flapjacks.
The art of cooking.
When does Carson come up with the sausage? And then if you want another sausage, you can get another one.
Flapjacks up.
Okay, I'll go feed the kids.
Cheese!
Oh, that's all gone, Jake. Don't go for it. Nope, not going for it.
Hey, I'll wash them. I'll run them through the tub and
Isn't that pathetic? We can't even remember our nursery rhymes.
Well, in fact, that our nursery rhymes about roses, pocket full of posies. Hush, hush, we all fall down.
Uh-oh.
Dance, 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 dance. Jump, 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 jump. Come on, Carson, jump, jump, jump.
They're getting tired.
Sports culture.
How you doing? Hey, Megan.
Player and author.
Hey, Jake.
Let the kids
Hey, Zach.
He says too many parents push their kids so they can be.
Hey, buddy. How you doing there? How you eating for their cousins?
The vast majority of my sporting activities were playgrounds and sandbox. Just like this.
Hey, guys.
Who's the faster one? Let's see.
Hello, Zach. You've been in a better mood today? Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. You too, Megan? Oh, yeah, you are.
In the Virginia suburbs, parents are
Oh, there's Kevin.
Yes, and it's all unhealthy.
Hi, Lisa.
Hello. We're missing a
She's
few
really
flowers.
happy.
Are they out there?
Oh, look at Amy.
Amy, can you smile? Oh, that's a nice smile.
Yeah, look at Sid. Boy, you get banged up, eh?
Bruiser.
But you look good. You're looking good. Where's the mama?
Hello.
Okay,
Where's the mama?
something's out there.
We're done.
Oh, hey,
Let's
Don.
go sit. And
Cooking again.
Cooking. And you're going to be there at
Yes, kind of.
7 o'clock. Crack a dog, yeah. I heard that joke
You did
before.
it one time, didn't you?
Oh, well.
Good game tomorrow, Mark. I had no idea.
Yeah, yeah. Well, wish me luck. If I come back in pieces, you got to come in.
Come back in pieces.
Guy with the goat?
Yeah, he's got goat.
Goat? Goat, 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 goat.
Who's raising goats? They said ghost. Mark that.
Our bed has been swept away. We must
Can I have a poop?
so cute. I know. It just spits on the cake. Yeah. One of these.
Well, you see some of those funniest videos where there's this one old lady, she's in a poop, or an old guy or something, teeth come right out.
Old lady in her teeth, yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay, you don't have to have it.
There you go.
Brian doesn't want your cake, Mark.
Okay, Mark.
He doesn't want my cake.
You have lady fingers on them.
It's tiramisu.
Okay, just stick it in.
Gotta like that.
Gil.
I'm not taking that piece.
No double dip. This will be my piece.
Nice.
You don't want any? It's yummy. Very yummy. Whoop. Hey, Sid.
I'm just setting it up for him.
Oh, that's nice of you.
Anyway, it is Christmas,
Mm-hmm.
so that's about giving and lots of good stuff.
Yeah.
Gosh, what is this? Bath fizzies. Let's open up your stocking. Daddy, come open up your stocking.
Yes.
I will.
It's to my beautiful wife, Lisa, from the husband.
Oh, the husband.
Hey.
And that's
Should
from
we open
Daddy.
this? How do we? I'm gonna cut this open, okay?
Oh, I can do it.
Okay.
Okay, no, I can't.
Here, put your pretty necklace on.
Thank you.
You're so nice. Here, I'll try it with scissors, honey. That's a bit tough.
Now let me.
Excuse me.
Hey.
Dad, look at. There's lots of things and stickers. And
Wow.
I don't even have this one yet.
Holy cow.
Grandma.
Mom,
I don't know.
There's even Rudolph. There's a reindeer in here. It doesn't have any antlers.
Oh.
What do you call a baby? Oh, it's not a reindeer. It's just a deer. In front of your yard. Oh, this is like a joke book and stuff. It has jokes and stuff. Because what do you call a baby deer? Baby
That's
deer
it?
in front of the yard.
This one's way easier to put on and take off.
What?
Hey, Grandma.
Hi, Santa.
Oh, Grandma's here.
Yes.
And look, I don't even have this book at home yet.
You don't.
Mom, open your gift.
Oh, okay.
Mom,
I'm just setting it
Oh,
down.
your stockings is full, is it?
you want me to open your gift?
Hey, you want to see something cool? When you push
Hey.
on this, when you push on the side button, it lights up. Here, which end?
Oh.
This is, I love the deputy governor.
Some chocolates.
Wow, am I ever lucky?
Careful.
I'm just thinking of taking all the Boxing Day sales.
Oh, what's this? This
Oh.
looks like something. Wow, Mark. Oh, this is pretty. Holy smokers.
Oh, what you doing? You buying a little something for
Oh,
that?
a little something. This is beautiful.
That I know
That is
easier
nice.
ways to look at your
Right?
things.
Yeah.
One at a
Wow,
time.
that's pretty.
Look what you thought.
Oh,
Are
Mark.
you sure it's gonna
I
fit?
thought
I'm
Oh,
not
a
so
toque.
sure. I saw an E on there and went, I don't know if that's me.
Isn't that
That's
nice?
Running.
pretty. Wow.
Hey, Marco,
That's all you got?
that is nice.
Nothing else.
That's pretty nice. Thank you,
Yeah,
Marky.
you're welcome.
You got
So
it?
Santa was thinking of some really neat things.
Oh,
Okay,
you
give me the.
Open. This is your present. You want me to open your present for you?
I know
Yeah.
it's sharp.
It is.
Try her on.
Pretty, Dad.
Try
I will. I will. Yeah. No, what else I got here?
Wow.
And a football cork. I saw these things the
What's
other
that?
day. A football cork.
Wasn't that neat?
Yeah.
Oh, is that a ram one too?
No, just a normal football.
Well, that's really
That's
things
cool.
you can't buy. Eh?
Yeah.
Santa's really cool because he knows what
That's really
people
good.
like.
Thank you very much.
Oh,
Now, I mean, Ray was gonna put on this.
well, I've got a
It's
phone
a
he can
phone.
borrow.
Let's just see your.
I must have fallen in here somewhere.
Oh,
Actually, it's a nice toque.
Oh, that fits
you can
good.
take the pin off and wear it on your coat
Yeah.
or something.
What's that? That's a good run.
That looks very nice. Yes.
But there's something else in there. I think you missed it, Mark.
You gotta go right to the toes.
Well, maybe it fell out.
Okay, opener.
Dad, what is
Sunk.
Yeah.
what's
Nobody's buying
this
this,
one?
huh?
We should have got you one.
Okay, Santa's dad. He should.
Down by the Christmas tree.
Yeah, we should.
Mom, this is not for Jake. It's
Oh,
poison.
Marco.
Oh, well, he's
They have all
okay.
those beautiful ribbons here.
Dad, I don't think Santa should give him this because it's
What?
poison.
We should be out by the Christmas tree.
What do you got?
Oh.
A big
It's
jacket.
it's like an airbag.
Is it actually a jacket?
Airbag.
A ski
Oh, it's a
jacket.
ski. Wow, those are heavy.
Try it on.
Wow. Okay.
Check that out, baby.
Something on a ski
Santa,
jacket.
you didn't have that red coat here.
You're wearing a pretty bulky shirt, so I don't know.
Yeah.
What do you think? Oops, I'm videoing your waist.
Oh.
How does it
Well, it's
feel?
over top of yours. Well, it's good to be on top of the sweatshirt, eh?
Feels really bulky. I got my shirt underneath, so.
Yeah.
Still, it might be small actually.
That's extra
nice.
large. Actually, I don't think it is. I think if you put on the
A regular shirt. That's
well,
nice.
no. Try it. Go try a t-shirt on. I'd like you to.
Yeah. It's a little small.
No, please don't say that.
Yeah, it's smaller on the shoulders.
Too small?
I don't think it doesn't look small, Mark.
It does. It's really cutting underneath my arms.
Oh, really?
The guy's a big guy.
Oh, it's nice though. Very nice.
Who is it from?
Me.
You? Jake? Yay! A Game Boy I always wanted for my whole life.
Oh, wow. Hey?
What kind of
That's like
game is?
that looks like a different Game Boy.
Heather.
What kind of Game Boy is it?
I don't know.
Oh.
Looks like the thing that they.
You're a lucky
It's like a
girl.
DVD player, yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, Jay, got a stocking.
Wow.
I'm eating it or something.
Go careful, Sadie's sort of waking up yet. Cool.
And look at Jake. Look at.
I can eat them.
Where's my camera?
Jake, you want to eat it? Eat it.
Yeah.
He's like, what's going on here? Yeah, what's going on?
Marbles.
See? Look at, oh, let's open it. You want to open it? Let's go. Look at that. Whoa, cool.
Wow, maybe not right in the doorway, hon.
I'll be okay.
Yeah.
Good morning, Jake. How are you?
She's like, what's going on here?
Yeah.
He doesn't know anything about Christmas.
I lost my cup again. What's this? Look it. Tastes good.
Yeah, candy.
Yeah, candy. It's the only time you get candy first thing in the morning is Christmas morning,
That's right.
That's
Okay, Jake. Heart
It's got a real
open,
split
Jake.
lip, eh?
Yeah,
I used to
know.
have the same thing, you know. Oh, there you have. There you go. Keep carry on. Go on.
Okay, go now. Oh,
Another
what
Thomas
is
the Train
that?
thing.
oh my goodness.
You are so lucky.
See?
Good job, buddy. Need a little help? Need a little help?
I'll help you.
That is going to be huge.
There we go. Keep tearing.
Go on, Jake. Good boy.
Wow. Wait a minute.
Yeah?
They didn't have a look here.
Another
You-
Thomas the Train thing.
Can you tear the plastic off for Jake there, Daddy?
Yeah, sure. I'll help you.
Nice.
Boy, he's going to have.
Cool.
You got the roundhouse. They still have the roundhouse for Johnny here. Where they tear it down. They had one by the casino there.
In Winnipeg, they made a bingo, the casino out of the roundhouse.
Oh, did they?
You want to go to Winnipeg? It's on. They took the big roundhouse and they made a bingo parlor and
Wow.
casino out of it. It's really interesting, you know.
Wow.
That's where all us poor people go.
Yeah. Spend all that money.
Okay.
And how does that attach now to what he's got?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, so all one big set. Like, it's almost like your train set. Like, something like this will last. There's
Oh,
kids.
yeah.
Selection.
Yeah. So I don't mind buying these things, that's for
I'll
sure.
get you scissors.
Holy cow, they were rapid.
Where'd he go? Jake, oh, there he is.
Jeez.
Wow, look at that.
Wow.
You can
Look at some of
park all your
Jake.
trains.
Oh, he's going to set that one all up, boy. Stop making
Jake,
it.
Jake, look. Jake, look.
Rubbed upside down?
Jake,
Nope.
Jake.
Jake.
What are all these little things on here?
Those are little rooftops.
Jake, come here. Come.
Oh, I said it goes down.
Oh, what's that do?
That yummy, Jake?
Marbles.
What'd you get?
It's kind of a marble
Oh,
maze,
candy.
isn't it?
Look at that.
Well, you build different kinds.
I know, just wait, buddy.
Reindeer paws, and jumps, go, Santa
it.